What I am just talking is just a drop in an ocean. How much? Just a drop in the ocean. So just I'll talk about some slokas. Okay, all of you have heard of this sloka? This is the sloka all of you know? Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. All of you would have told this hundreds of times, correct? Now I will tell you the different angle to its meaning. You want to know the science of it? Okay. Now there was one scientist called as Thomson. J.J. Thomson, you have heard of? Yes. So he was given Nobel Prize for saying light is a wave. In his physics lab, he did so many experiments and finally he realized that light is a wave. He got Nobel Prize. Then came the sun. The sun said, sun continued the work of the father, and the sun said, light is a particle. Sun said, father irbodu, sun irbodu, nange sariyagi nenpilla, otnalli one said that light is a wave and the other said that light is a particle. Then came one more scientist. Sorry, the sun also got Nobel Prize. One more scientist came. He said light is both wave and a particle, the dual theory of light. The dual theory of light. He also got Nobel Prize. 3 Nobel Prize. Let us see what is this. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. For a curved line, what it is said in probably Kannada, Vakra Reke. Alva, Vakra Reke andre curved line. Vakra. It is not straight. Nera, Vakra. Tunda, Tundu. Tundu means pieces, particle. The smallest piece is a particle. Vakra, Tundu. Tunda. Tunta. Tunta is somebody who give, whatever you give, will break into pieces. Tunta. Vakra, Tunda. Mahakaya. Vakratunda means wave, particle. Light is a wave as well as particle. Vakra, Tunda. Then Mahakaya. What do you mean by Mahakaya? Somebody like me. That is huge, something which occupies huge volume. The volume occupied by the sun's light, there is no bigger volume than the volume occupied by the sun's light. Mahakaya. Somebody who occupies more volume, no, is Mahakaya. So, Mahakaya is one who occupies huge volume, is Mahakaya. The volume occupied by the sun is the biggest volume we can think of in the solar system, and hence it is Mahakaya. Koti Surya Samaprabha, there are millions of stars, and each sun is a star. Koti Surya Samaprabha, there are millions of such stars working in a similar fashion, giving light to their solar systems. Every star what you see is a solar system, right? Koti Surya Samaprabha, Nirvignam. What is Nirvignam? Light from the sun is Nirvigna. I may not, if I turn like this, I may not see that light. During night time, I may not see the light. But sun is giving the light continuously, na? Nirvignam Kurume Deva. Kuru means the planets. Deva means the Panchaputas within the planet. Nirvignam Kurume Deva. Kurume Deva is Panchaputa, I told you earlier also. Panchaputas, it is giving light continuously to the planets and the Panchaputas. Nirvignam Kurume Deva. Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. If I am talking here, standing here, I need some energy. Where did I get that energy? From the plants. Where did the plants get this energy? From the sun. Everything, virtually everything is product of sun's energy only. Energy can be converted into matter. So this is sloka, the 3 Nobel Prize winners, what they have told. Beyond that, this sloka is saying Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. Is it not science sloka? Yes or no? This is what